Hi, I'm Bill Kemp with KempWindows.com and welcome to Tip Tuesday. And today's tip of the week is, who can you trust in the window industry? Well, did you know that the average window salesman that comes into your home has a life expectancy in the window industry of less than 6 months? So all the information that they give to you about windows is simply been taught to them, they've learned it, and they are now spewing that information back out to you. Well, at KempWindows.com, our information comes from three places. It comes from one, the window manufacturer who actually made the window. Two, from independent laboratories who have tested the windows that we sell. And three, it comes from our expertise knowledge of being in this industry for over 27 years of helping homeowners like yourself. See, we simply have one goal in mind, and that's to give you all the information that you could possibly need to help you make the best possible decision for your home and your family. You can always give us a call. You can always shoot us a text. You can always shoot us an email with any of your questions, and we'll be glad to answer them. And you'll be probably talking to me or to my brother and not to a salesperson. So if you have any questions at all, check us out at KempWindows.com to get the true and a real meaning and understanding of how windows can help you in your home. Thank you and have a great week.